Oh, we're making a zigzag here.
Yeah. Oh, I stopped there.
Go, honey. Which way?
Straight ahead.
Okay.
Oh God, it's flooded it. Stinks the fuel.
It's what?
It's flooded it.
Oh. So...
Got too much petrol in the engine.
Gosh.
2 minutes out.
Woo! Woo, mamma mia! I can't believe I'm doing this again with you this year. How exciting!
Yeah. Run into the entrance to Weatherton Hall.
I guess we're the early bunch. It's not opened yet.
There it is, I can see people up there.
If you head on up, they'll park you.
Sounds good, thank you. Yep.
Watch the grass there.
I am. Oh my God. Whoa, 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 whoa. Hello. Yeah. Oh. Hold on.
Is your camera on?
Yeah. Can you tell?
Oh yeah, I can see the red light.
Honey, are you gonna get in front of me?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, no. I'm behind you.
Yeah, well, you need to get in front of me. Woo!
Coming past you. Stop, 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 stop.
Okay.
Alright. Right timing now.
Woo, that's all.
Is it behind me?
Yeah, well, not quite. I'm coming.
Right, I just need to go past.
Yeah, I'm behind you now.
Alright. I have biker girl behind me on her Triumph T120. This is the DGR of various Edmunds in the year of our Lord 2025. We're just starting out. We're heading on a nice slow country road ride to the town of Stowmarket, where we will finish at something called the Peel Centre. Here we have some spectators.
I like how you're doing the vroom, honey.
Yep. Go on.
I want to do that. Honey. He said we're going to Stowe Market. Is that the same area we went to last year?
No, I don't know.
Or the year before, I think.
I think it's the same town we go through every year.
Yeah.
But this time we're stopping there.
Ooh, you got the thumbs up. Ooh, the old lady came out. Give her the vroom vroom, honey.
I like this road.
I don't know if I like it.
Watch your car.
Oops, car.
Look at all those bikes.
What's wrong? Honey? Babe.
I stalled.
Oh, you stalled? So it happens to you occasionally too.
It has something to do with the fueling of this bike. Creaking St. Peter.
Creating St. Peter.
Yeah.
What a name.
The Royal Wave.
Yeah.
Oh, nice corners. Watch the car.
Yeah, I am. Oh my goodness, that corner was scary, honey.
I loved it.
Honey. Oh, you're behind me. Hi, Lexi. How are you? We have a big audience. We have a big audience. There's a Triumph in front of me, honey.
Yeah.
Ooh. Oh, this way, this way. Oh my goodness. Yep. Hello.
I was gonna ask, where'd you get that sticker?
Which
The
one?
DGR sticker?
Oh, my husband got it at one of the DGRs.
Okay.
Yeah, a few years ago.
Okay.
Yeah. Did you enjoy the ride?
That was awesome.
Yeah, it was.